Card Master, and today I'm going to be doing Cons of Tarkir pack opening. Just one pack. So, let's open it. Okay, so we got this thing. I cannot read it. We got a Whirlwind Adept. Mardu Skull Hunter. Feed the Clan. Whoops. Singing Bell Strike. That. Bloodfire Mentor. Lens of Clarity. War Behemoth. Stubborn Denial. First uncommon, by the way. Solte. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, I'm going to open the rare last because it's the rare. Okay, no token. Last uncommon, Dead Drop. Plains, and we got a foil, I'm pretty sure. Cool. I can't pronounce that either. And Trap Essence. Or something. Thank you. Subscribe. What happened? You laughed at the behemoth.